Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and today we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many investors. Should I invest in individual stocks or ETFs? It's a question that can shape your investment journey, so let's break it down together. Now, to kick things off, let me ask you this. Do you prefer the thrill of picking individual stocks or the convenience of a diversified basket of investments? This key question will help guide our discussion today. Let's start with individual stocks. Investing in individual stocks means you're buying shares of a specific company. So, if you believe in the potential of a company like Tesla or Apple, you might decide to invest directly in their stocks. The allure is obvious. When a company performs well, your investment can skyrocket. For instance, let's take a look at Tesla. In 2019, its stock was around $24. Fast forward to late 2021, and it hit nearly $1,200. That's a massive return for those who invested early. However, it's crucial to remember that with the potential for high rewards comes high risk. If Tesla faced setbacks, like production delays or market competition, its stock could plummet just as quickly. Now, individual stock investing requires a good understanding of the companies you're investing in and the overall market. You need to analyze financial statements, keep an eye on industry trends, and stay updated on news that could affect the stock price. This can be time-consuming and requires a certain level of expertise. On the flip side, let's talk about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. An ETF is essentially a collection of stocks or other securities that track an index, commodity, or sector. Think of it as a basket that holds multiple investments, allowing you to diversify your portfolio without having to purchase each stock individually. For example, if you invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, you're essentially investing in 500 of the largest companies in the US. This diversifies your risk. Even if some companies perform poorly, others in the ETF may do well, balancing out your investment. According to a report from Morningstar, the average annual return of the S&P 500 over the last 90 years has been about 10%. By investing in an S&P 500 ETF, you can potentially capture this average return without needing to sift through individual stocks. Moreover, ETFs often come with lower fees compared to mutual funds, making them a cost-effective choice for many investors. For instance, the average expense ratio for an ETF is around 0.4% compared to the 1.2% average for mutual funds. This means more of your money is working for you instead of going to fees. Another advantage of ETFs is liquidity. They are traded on exchanges like stocks, meaning you can buy and sell them throughout the day at market price. This flexibility can be beneficial, especially in volatile markets. However, it's essential to remember that while ETFs offer diversification, they aren't immune to market risks. If the overall market drops, your ETF will likely drop as well, albeit more gradually than individual stocks. Additionally, some investors may feel that ETFs lack the excitement and potential for rapid gains that individual stocks can offer. So, should you invest in individual stocks or ETFs? The answer really depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and how much time you want to dedicate to research and management. If you're passionate about specific companies and have the time to analyze their performance, individual stocks could be for you. But if you prefer a more hands-off approach with built-in diversification, ETFs might be the way to go. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, and many investors choose to incorporate both strategies into their portfolios. Before you dive in, make sure to do your research and consider speaking with a financial advisor to determine what's best for your situation. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. And don't forget to comment below, are you leaning towards individual stocks or ETFs? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!